la brisa que mis tristezas deshace. Por tu fuerza no hay quien nos pise. Contigo mi alma siempre renace.
Good morning. This is Mel at MelddenTravel. I'm having breakfast at the gallery today here on beautiful Valiant Lady. And I'm having a couple of omelets with some bacon and sausages. And I'm sitting right by where they cook it, the grill. So this is very good.
Hi sir, thank you for waiting sir.
Oh.
Ham and cheese, yeah?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
So I got my second plate of omelet and I'm ready to chow down. This is my first experience here at the gallery, so I'm looking forward to it. And then I'm getting off the ship and visiting Key West. All right, we're here at Key West right now. Just finished breakfast. Breakfast was fantastic. I had 2 egg omelets, cooked fresh. Chef brought it over to me. The sausage, kind of sweet, had a little sweetness to it. It was fantastic, fantastic. So the whole breakfast is at least what I had. I had the ham and cheese omelets, bacon, and sausage. I thought was fantastic. So you got to check out the gallery. And I'm here with our group, with our solo cruise group, and we're about to check out Key West. I've been here, this is my 3rd time here at Key West, and it still looks the same. And this is our solo group. We're all getting together here, getting ready. So I always get a kick out of this. We're at the end of Route 1, the infamous Route 1. Let's see if we can see that sign better. And there it says, the end Route 1. Okay, there we go. In Route 1. So this is it. Fleming and US 1 Whitehead Street. So I got the coffee I like, but I want to get a bag. So I left my group. They're on their way to the end of the point, I guess. But I'm gonna go further and head back to the ship. Oh, we have some chickens. So this is where I'm gonna get my coffee here at the shops at Mallory Square, a former U.S. Coast Guard. Closer look. You can pause if you want to finish reading, but we're going to go in. There's a lot of things going on. Here we are at Valiant Lady, and another wonderful day here in Key West. Key West is interesting. Many shops. Unfortunately, it's one of the cities on the East Coast which have limited or even banned cruise ships from entering. And today, we are the only ship that's in port. But that's okay. We're a smaller ship, and we haven't infested the Key West that much. So I have my coffee. Ta-da! And I want to go back on board and enjoy the rest of the day. Here's the ship. This ship is beautiful, even up close. I like the gray scheme. I'm way in the back by those back lifeboats above Virgin Voyages. So I'm way in the back. Oh, that pizza is so hot. Rachel just brought me my pizza, and it is really hot. Classic vinyl on the lock and key here. But I don't see any of the albums I have except this one, the Pink Floyd, which I did have. Okay, let's make over to the social club and meet up with everybody else for dinner tonight. Medium well steak with a margarita, and we're all being served. Ah. Okay, a chocolate taco. And you've got
chocolate tamales.
Oh, delicious. That's another chocolate. And what do you have over there?
Red pudding and ice cream.
Oh, that looks great. Okay, that's it. Everybody smile.
That's all I get?
Oh!
I want to hear it all. I want to hear it all. I want to leave out with a bang, not a pull. I want a bang.
I can sit out here all day listening to this music. I like Brazilian music to begin with, but on a day like this, where it's so sunny, the water is beautiful, the atmosphere is great for me. This is great. And once again, I have to tell you, look up Virgin Voyages on my website, MelddenTravel.com. I'll leave a link in the description. And you should try to check out the different sailings. And you can book right on the website directly to Virgin, or if you need any questions, have any questions, feel free to call. Enough of the commercial. I'm going to sit back and listen to the music now. So this is Sip It, with all kinds of champagne. The place to be. The area is really nice. Kind of cozy, whether you're with friends or just one other person. And it leads right into the red room.
Deck 8.
The beautiful waters. Here we are off the coast. There's Bimini over there. And I'll tell you, the only thing I know about Bimini is Adam Clayton Powell Jr. used to come here as a retreat from New York City. So we'll learn some stuff today. And that's where my room is, right there on deck 10. Okay, here we are in Fisherman's Village. Here's all the things that's going on here. Oh, look, they got free Wi-Fi here too. So I'm going to take a walk around. There's an ice cream shop and just enjoy the habitats. Lady got us here at Bimini, and it's beautiful here, and you should be here. I'll leave a link below for my travel agency, MelddenTravel.com, and check out Virgin along with Royal Caribbean. And you know, I don't play favorites yet, but I think you will enjoy the Virgin voyages, especially Valiant Lady. Virgin goes to ports all over the world. But enough of that, let's get back to travel.